Aydın Doğan owns 29% of Doğan Holding, a public company active in oil distribution, electricity production, real estate, tourism and e-commerce. He was once Turkey's biggest media boss but came into conflict with the policies of the Turkish government. In 2018, he sold his portfolio, including TV channels Kanal D and CNN Turk, and the newspapers Hürriyet, Posta and Fanatik, for around $1.1 billion. In 2012, he entered into a licensing deal with Donald Trump for an office tower and shopping mall project in Istanbul. In 2019, he sold Trump Towers to publicly traded Doğan Holding for around $150 million.